Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to find saved videos from Facebook. So let's start the video. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Saved from the menu options. This will take you to a list of all the items you've saved on Facebook, including videos. Go through the list and find the video you are looking for. And there you have it. And that's how you can find saved videos from Facebook. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.